Have nothing for the Nuggets last night, did they?
I don't know that one.
Man, they kept missing buckets, man. They were actually in the game, man, but they just missed so many wide open shots that it was like.
I didn't watch it.
Let's see.
You talking about him? He didn't do nothing. He showed up, didn't do nothing.
He did look something. He looked like he was passing the ball more than anything.
Is the ball passer today? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, no, no, but boom. I can't hear out my left ear. Can't hear out my left ear. What number are you? Titty titty bang bang.
Chick, look. That's the dude, the other dude that be blowing the whistle.
Oh, the new guy that blows the whistle.
Yeah. I don't know, for some reason he reminds me
Oh, yeah.
a little bit of, you know what I'm saying?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Like they could be related. Like, see when he's in the movie,
Yeah.
that's when I was like, you feel me?
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
And he's got like gold open face grill.
Yeah. That's what it looks
Look, there he is in the movie. I was,
Yeah.
I was like, what?
That looks exactly like Alex right before he was finna jump off the cliff.
I was like, bruh.
He jumped off. He jumped once.
What
The second time he just let me down there treading water by myself.
Oh yeah, I'd have left you down there just because the water's cold.
No, the water wasn't cold though.
Man, water cold, bro.
That
wasn't cold because you had your adrenaline pumping.
No,
from
that
the
lake
jump.
water. That lake water's not as cold as like a waterfall water.
Or a pool. Like the pool wasn't like kids been swimming, but I'm like, shh,
Nah,
that water cold.
nah, bro. Once the sun get the beaming on it.
Cold.
Right.
Yeah.
Ready.
Chick.
Microphone checker.